At this point, all of the parts have been prepared and inspected for assembly, including the Diesel Pro lower repair kit. The first step in the assembly is installing the oil seals in the end plate. Then we proceed to install the oil seal spacers or sleeves onto the rotor shafts. The end plates are lubricated with engine assembly grease to insert the rotor into the rear assembly plates. Now we proceed to insert the rotors into the blower housing, aligned with the blower's oil seals in the end plates. Next, the front end plate is installed by carefully aligning the dowel pins in the housing with the dowel holes. We will temporarily hold the end plates against the housing with 2 bolts. Then the rear end plate retainer is installed. Now we will install the blower rotor gears. Carefully align the rotor splines against the gear splines. Next, we place a rag between the 2 rotors to prevent them from spinning, so we can tighten the 2 bolts that hold the gears in place. Then we proceed to check the tolerances between the 2 rotors and the housing. For correct specifications, please refer to your service manual. As you can see in this case, the rotors did not meet the exact tolerance. We will proceed to remove the gears and insert shims to correct the tolerance. After installing the amount of shims required, we will install the gears again and make sure the tolerances are correct. As you can see here, the blower is completely rebuilt and the tolerances are correct.